The upcoming Wolf Grey edition, inspired by the iconic Air Max 95, will headline the Fall 2025 collection. Following on-court previews of neon yellow and solar red, the fresh colorway blends hues like cool gray, photon dust, anthracite, white, and black to echo the AM95's legendary gradient design. Notably, ruby tone details enliven the look, contrasting the subtle palette. Reports from Sneaker Market highlight SKU IR0839-001 is tied to this drop, even as earlier teasers created buzz around alternative red finishes. With its Air Max heritage influences and familiar panel blocking, the Book 1 Wolf Grey continues Nike's trend of celebrating sneaker icons through modern basketball footwear. Official photos confirm the design, and pairs are expected to release on Nike.com by November 2025.